Hello everybody. Unable to crack your interviews? I understand. This might be because of you have a poor communication skills. Friend, don't worry. Together we can fix it now. Today I am starting a new series on how to improve your communication skills to crack an interview. Friend, most people believe that communication skill is all about only speaking, but that is not true. I understand. Speaking is one of the most important skill of communication skills, but there are many other skills equally important. But we will discuss those skills later part of this series. But today we will talk about this important skill, that is speaking. Speaking is an art. This can be learned by following and practicing a specific set of rules. More you practice it, the better you will become. Friend, this speaking itself has many components, many different aspects that everyone must consider while speaking during their conversations. Friends, today I will talk about one of the most important aspects of speaking. That is, understand and organize your thoughts first before you share them with others. I am repeating it again. Understand and organize your thoughts first before you share them with others. What does it mean? Friends, when you are interacting with people, what exactly you are doing? You are exchanging responses. Every response is built by many thoughts that came into your mind at that moment when you are preparing the responses. Friends, when you are speaking, you must have an undivided attention and time to process all these thoughts to build a correct response. You know, our mind can process multiple thoughts in few seconds. Friend, by doing so, you can avoid providing excessive and unwanted information that is not necessary for that particular conversation. Friend, during the process of understanding and organizing your thoughts, you can filter and can shorten your message precise to the point so that a listener can perceive it correctly and quickly. This process also helps you to clarify and put emphasis on the strong content of your message that should not mislead by any means during the conversation. By adopting this process, you can deliver your message with the right intent without any ambiguity in a short time to the interviewer, so that interviewer can understand it, perceive it in no time. Friend, this entire process creates an environment of effective communication, back and forth interaction between you and the interviewer. This is what an interviewer is looking for in a candidate. This back and forth interaction between you and the interviewer give confidence to the interviewer that this candidate has a right ability to communicate well. Friend, if somehow you are able to create this positive environment of effective communication, the positive environment of this back and forth interaction between you and the interviewer inside the interview room, you have won the game. You have cracked your interview. Guys, this is the power of understanding and organizing your thought first before you respond. This makes your communication perfect. Friend, if you had to improve your communication skill, you had to work upon on this tool. Friend, if you find I have added some value to you today, if you find this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and can subscribe my channel. I am T. Chandra, the founder of Easymyinterview. If you need more information, you can click on the link below that will take you through to my website easymyinterview.com. Friend, I will be back with more powerful video on communication skills. By the time, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing. See you. Bye bye. Take care.